Hello, BAMP parents. As you can see, I'm surrounded by our beautiful and handsome stars. BAMP parents, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Dr. Delbert Christopher Eugene Scott. I've been an educator for more than 25 years, and I've been fortunate to serve students, families, and staff as an elementary and middle school teacher since 2005. I have served various leadership roles as an elementary, middle, and high school principal. I am the proud father of 4 children. I have identical twin sons. My eldest daughter recently graduated from the University of Cincinnati, and my youngest daughter recently graduated from high school this past May. I would love to mention that my youngest daughter went to school with me where I was a principal. I earned a baccalaureate degree from Ohio's only publicly funded historically black college and university, HBCU, Central State University in Wilberforce, Ohio. In 2000, I earned a Master of Education from Bowling Green State University, BGSU, in Bowling Green, Ohio. Fast forward 15 years, I returned to Bowling Green to complete a doctorate in Education, Leadership, and Policy Studies. Okay, enough about me. When I think of a school community, like this school community, I see a group of diverse people, students with varying perspectives coming together as one person around a common purpose. That's common unity, community. Where there is unity, there is strength. Allow me to take this opportunity to celebrate you, our families, and our community for trusting us to educate the most important asset of our future. That's our stars, these beautiful young people behind me. Whitney Houston's song still reverberates. The children are our future. Teach them well and let them lead the way. Show them all the beauty they possess inside. Give them a sense of pride. I want to thank Ms. Smith and Mrs. Whiston for their leadership they provided to the BAMP learning community during their tenure. I honor and salute their successes. As your child's principal, I promise to lead with love, care, and compassion, leading from the heart. I promise to treat your child with respect and dignity, even in tough conversations. I promise to listen to your child's voice. Provide your child with a physically and emotionally safe environment that is empowering. I promise to celebrate, coach, and guide your children to be the very best that they can be. I need your help. I want to reclaim our students that left BAMP last year to attend other schools. I want our stars to come home, and I need all of you to help me with that. If you know families that have left us and gone other places, tell them Dr. Scott wants them to come home. As the new school leader, I will ensure that all students follow school-wide expectations for conduct, safety, and learning. I have an absolute zero tolerance for fighting, bullying, harassment, gossiping. Isn't that right, students?
Yes.
As head of school, I will model a culture of respect. Respect from staff to students and parents. Respect from students and parents to staff. And we will all share an environment of dignity and respect for one another. It is my belief that we as a school community can achieve at high levels in the following areas. And I will say that BAMP outperformed every CMSD as well as charter school around us. We are winning. It is my belief that we can do more. We will reach a daily attendance goal of 93% for all of our stars in K through 8. We're going to decrease the amount of tardies that we have to school. All our stars will achieve success in reading at or above grade level by the end of the academic year. BAMP's performance index score will realize a gain of 85% from the previous academic year. Cheers to a wonderful learning collaborative, and it is my pleasure to serve you as your child's educational leader. Can you say bye to all of our parents?
Bye.